Shark Rocket Ultralight Upright, HV302. This never loses suction, never loses power, vacuum cleans as well as a full-size upright without all the weight of one. It cleans bare floors and deep cleans carpets. Swivel steering provides the ultimate control to get in and around obstacles and furniture. The versatility of this vacuum allows for floor-to-ceiling cleaning. Use the wand to reach high above or between narrow spaces. The features of Shark Rocket Ultralight Upright, HV302. Never loses suction or power, cleans bare floors and deep cleans carpets. Lightweight. Versatile floor-to-ceiling cleaning. Swivel steering.